Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'm a total beginner, but the look we're going for today is a gold eye and a nude lip. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by taking off my glasses and becoming a completely blind person. Alright, so I'm going to be using my MAC foundation. The thing is, I bought this in the summer, so it's not really the same tone. Is that the same shade that I would be using? But I'm too lazy to buy a new one and too cheap to buy a new one, so we're going to continue using this. There we go. That might be too much. My beauty blender is like always really disgusting. Like, it's never clean, but we shall work with it. If you listen to music when you're doing your makeup, which I usually do in the morning, but we're not doing it in this video because copyright, you should... How long it takes you to blend your makeup really depends on the music you're listening to, because your dabbing speed depends on the beat of the song. Right now I have no music, so it's going to take forever, and me talking and doing anything at the same time is always... See, I can't even speak and do this at the same time. I'm a complete mess. Okay, and we're going to fast forward this and then you'll see foundation. So now I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm using... What am I using? I actually can't see. Alright, so now we're going to be moving on to concealer. I'm using a Rimmel London concealer called Hide the Blemish, and it's in the shade called Soft Honey. And what I usually do is triangles under my eye. Maybe I should have tied my hair up, that would have been helpful. And then 3 lines. The tree thing that everyone does. And yeah, that's it. We go back to blending. Alright, so usually when I do my makeup, I either do a foundation or a powder, but today, since it's a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, I'm going to be doing both. So we have our Studio Fix powder. Now we're going to move on to bronzer. So I take a little bit. This face is like the best face to make when you're doing your makeup. It's amazing. Next, for blush, my friend gave me this NYX palette that she got for my birthday, and this is like our first NYX product that we ever tried out, or I've ever tried out, and I've been like obsessed with this because like all the shades are like super pretty. But for this look, I'm going to be using the peach tone and the peach-ish highlight. If that makes sense. So for the eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using this Mega Nudes 3 eyeshadow palette. It's all broken up, but you know, the shades are really pretty, so I keep using it. So I'm going to be starting off by using a gold shadow and then having like a brown in the middle and I think like a dark pink on the outside. So yeah, let's get into it. Apparently you get into eyeshadow. Pink is the best color on this planet. Oh, debatable. So we're going to be using this pink shade. It's kind of like darkish, but it looks more, not natural because it's pink, but it looks more casual. Alright, so now I'm going to go on to mascara. I'm skipping eyeliner because this video will turn into like a 25-minute video. So this is called the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's like my favorite drugstore mascara. So yeah, let's get into this. Why do I keep saying that? We'll never know. So I'm just gonna finish the eye makeup by putting a little bit of highlight on the inner corners, because then you'll look awake this Valentine's Day. Awake for your bae. Eyebrow time! I can't really do much to my eyebrows because they will forever be a mess. So the lipstick I'm going to be applying is this Maybelline lipstick in the shade called Toasted Truffle. Final makeup look. Let us know if you would try this look out for Valentine's Day, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.